The GR Supra is not your typical Toyota, and the same goes for its safety systems. In addition to a wide range of passive safety features, all Supra models come equipped with the following 3 active safety systems: pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with steering assist, and automatic high beams. This 2-part video series will review what each feature does, starting with pre-collision system. Supra's standard pre-collision system with pedestrian detection uses a front-facing camera to detect and warn the driver of hazards on the road ahead when traveling at speeds of up to 53 miles per hour. This system's advanced image recognition capabilities allow it to differentiate between various hazard types, including vehicles during both daytime and low-light conditions, as well as pedestrians and bicyclists during the daytime. So, if the system determines that intervention may be needed, it will activate to assist the driver in avoiding or mitigating a potential collision. When activated, pre-collision system's operation can be broken into 3 phases. The first phase only applies to vehicle detection, and it involves a pre-warning alert that notifies the driver if there is a potential for a collision with a vehicle ahead. It does this by lighting a symbol on the instrument panel, as well as the available head-up display if equipped. The second phase applies to vehicles, pedestrians, and bicycles, and it occurs if the collision is determined to be imminent. In this case, an acute warning emergency alert occurs, flashing the red symbol and adding an audible buzzer. Depending on the situation and equipment, this alert may also involve a brief activation of the braking system. Additionally, if the driver reacts to the warnings and depresses the brake pedal, a brake assist function will automatically apply additional force to help decelerate the vehicle as quickly as possible. The third phase occurs if the driver does not react to the warnings at all, and urgent intervention is required to prevent a collision. At this point, the system's emergency braking intervention function is activated, which can automatically apply the brakes to bring the car to a controlled stop without any input from the driver. Like the hazard detection function, this automatic braking function also operates at speeds up to 53 miles per hour, but only for vehicles. For pedestrians and bicycles, the automatic braking function operates up to 40 miles per hour instead. Timing settings for vehicle detection can be adjusted on the center display, and collision warnings can be disabled by pressing and holding the safety system button on the center console. Please also note that the available driver assist package enhances the pre-collision system's operational speed range thanks to its addition of a radar sensor. When equipped, this package enables vehicle detection at speeds up to 130 miles per hour, as well as automatic braking at speeds up to 155 miles per hour for vehicles and 53 miles per hour for pedestrians and bicycles. This concludes the pre-collision system overview. In Part 2, we'll review the lane departure warning and automatic high beam systems.